More than anywhere else in the world, New Yorkers have a keen sense of style and elegance. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pastis. When this restaurant first opened, there was nothing else over here. My name is Daryl Disman. I'm the maitre d' at Pastis and a loyal Paul Stewart customer. It's one of the largest restaurant openings in New York City in the last 10 years.
For sure.
I was there in the very beginning when Pastis opened in 1999. Then and now, it stands out as a symbol of quality and style here in New York City. As a maitre d' of Pastis, it's important that my style is impeccable. Much of our clientele comes from fashion, investment, and entertainment. They appreciate and recognize a well-made tailored suit. I describe my style as classic and modern. I go to Paul Stewart because they match my sensibilities. I think this is perfect. And I know that I'm going to look like nobody else. The similarities with Paul Stewart and Pastis, it's the attention to detail. It's the same with French culinary traditions if it's done at a very high level. I've always had a nice sense of style, but the Custom Lab allows me to be even more unique, from the cut of the suit, the style of the suit, to details of my choice of buttons.
Let's do it. All right.
To the lining inside of my jacket, to the length of my sleeves or the style of my lapel. I can choose and customize my suit exactly how I want it. I like it, man. Looks awesome. It's not just kind of fits, it really fits. The craftsmanship is next level, and they have the best tailors in the world. The maitre d' is a classic role in a restaurant. It's the first point of contact, and I feel good that I can have a fitted tailor suit that's unique to my body and my sense of style.
Keep working on it.
That's how I set the tone.
Good to see you guys.
New Yorkers remember me because I stand up from the crowd. That's the importance of style.